The video starts with Visual Studio Code open. Next, we open the Extensions Marketplace in Visual Studio Code. Searching for Microsoft Sentinel in the Extensions Marketplace. The first result shows the official Microsoft Sentinel extension. We will proceed to install the Microsoft Sentinel extension. Now we navigate to the newly added Microsoft Sentinel extension in the sidebar and click on it. We select the option to sign in to view lake tables. A prompt appears requesting permission. Click Allow to sign in with your user account and complete the login process. Next, we click on the Getting Started notebook from the Notebook Samples pane in the Microsoft Sentinel extension. Click on Outline to navigate through various sections of the notebook. The Outline panel is visible on the left side. Click on the first cell to execute. You will be prompted to select a kernel source. Choose Microsoft Sentinel as the kernel source, then select the runtime pool. In this example, we select medium. His process may take 5 to 7 minutes. Monitor the bottom right corner for the connected status. Now, execute Step 1, connect to the Sentinel data lake. Once the connection is successful, you will see a green checkmark with the message Microsoft Sentinel Provider initialized. Now, let's go to Step 2. Adjust the lookback hours if needed and replace with Sentinel workspace name and execute the cell. This step configures parameters and tables for the notebook and the output. You can see the values set for each parameter. Now, let's execute Step 3, load and transform data. In this example, we are loading the sign-in logs table with key fields selected. A simple JSON transformation is applied to extract fields from location details. The cell output displays the output schema along with the loading status. Now, let's execute Step 4, explore the security data. In this cell, we are filtering for failed logons with result type 50126. The cell output will either show matching records along with account and table, or display a status message suggesting you adjust the lookback period to find matching results. As we can see, here are 5 accounts with failed login attempts and nicely formatted HTML table of accounts with count. Now, let's execute Step 5, saving results to the data lake. In this example, we are saving the results of the previous cell to the new data lake table configured in Step 2. If the table does not exist, it will be created and the output will be written to that table. In case of any issues, an error message will be displayed. Wait for the cell to complete the execution. Monitor for the green status indicating the test data was written to output table specified. You can then navigate to Sentinel extension and to table pane. Click Refresh to populate new tables. Now search the table name and verify if the new table is present. You can see table along with its metadata right from Visual Studio Code. Now, let's navigate back to the notebook and execute the last step, clean up test data. In this case, we will delete the newly created table. Make sure to verify the table name is correct before executing, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Congratulations! This concludes the tutorial. Check out the additional resources to learn more.